If you're encountering the Netflix error code NW25, it usually indicates a network connectivity issue, meaning your device is having trouble connecting to Netflix's servers. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as issues with your internet connection or your device's settings. Here are some potential solutions to resolve the NW25 error. 1. Check your internet connection. 1. Solution. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. 1. You can test your connection by opening a website or streaming other content. Try restarting your router or modem to refresh your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router to improve the signal or switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. 2. Restart your device. 1. Solution. Sometimes, simply restarting your streaming device, TV, computer, console, etc., can resolve connection issues. 1. Power off the device, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on. Clear cache or data, for Netflix app. 1. Solution. If you're using the Netflix app on devices like Android, iOS, or smart TVs, clearing the app's cache or data can help. Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Netflix, Storage, Clear Cache and Clear Data. iOS. There isn't a direct cache clear option, but you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Smart TVs. The process varies, but you can try going to Settings, Apps, Netflix, Clear Cache if that option is available. 5. Check for Netflix server issues. 1. Solution. It's possible the issue lies with Netflix's servers. 1. Visit the Netflix Help Center or check sites like Downdetector to see if there are ongoing issues with Netflix services in your area. 2. If Netflix is having an outage, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved on their end. 6. Update your device's firmware or software. 1. Solution. Ensure that the software, firmware of your streaming device is up to date. 1. For instance, for smart TVs, check for the latest software update in the TV settings. For streaming devices like Roku, Apple TV, etc., go to their settings and check for updates. If none of these solutions work, consider contacting Netflix customer support for further assistance. They can provide more tailored help based on your account and device.